So I recently moved to this place. I think I've not stayed here for that long, and I was as I was sitting down here in my office, call it my office, a productive area, I was thinking about what kind of video can I probably record, right? I don't have two videos that are waiting to be edited, and I thought, let me probably do a house tour of my single room after knowing forex for 4 years, but actively trading for 2 years. For this is my second year, so I thought about it. Let me show you guys, because I realized if you want to grow, especially in the online space on YouTube, you must be real and authentic. All your content that you are posting should be real and reflect who you are, not just by trying to hide things here and there. But another thing is I'm comfortable sharing it with you, because I believe in being simplistic. The pressure is around, and I believe in myself, and I love this place. Actually, I moved in recently, and I thought of, let me just show where I live, and probably we can get to know each other in real form. So I'll be showing you around. It's a very single room, so don't expect much of it. Let's go. So behind me, there's a door, right? That's a door. Behind me, that's a door of entrance. And let me flip the camera to the other side. That is the door that I used to access my room, and that's the door. And this is definitely the curtain. That's the curtain that I used to access my room. And then immediately as you enter the door, right, there's a shoe rack. There are shoes that are amazing, because today is on Sunday, and Saturday some shoes were washed, so they're currently outside. But that's basically my shoe rack, nothing else. Below there is nothing else there. Then this is my library. I intend to make this. You see this whole part here. I want to use it as a library, right? I don't know the criteria that I'm gonna be using it, but I want to use this part as a library. You can see I have the Discipline Trader by a girl called Mark Douglas. I have the Trading in the Zone. Then I have what you call Atomic Habits by a guy called James Clear. And then Can't Hurt Me by a guy called David Goggins, bro. David Goggins. Then I have another book called The No Asshole Rule by Robert I. Sutton. Then below it, I think I have, guess who? Think and Grow Rich. Why can't you read that book? Think and Grow Rich. Why can't you read that book, bro? Think and Grow Rich. Definitely have my wallet, my watch right there. I think it's not supposed to be there, but that is the shoe rack side. And then here, then we go to my office immediately. From the shoe rack, you get to my office. This is my office actually. I was actually on Netflix trying to watch a movie, and I'm like, bro, I need to do something. Right after analyzing the market, I'm currently exporting a video. Actually, it's about I got banned by why equity age banned to me. It will load in a few. Why equity age banned to me. And yep, I was looking at the moment of my popcorns right here, bro. I was intending to eat them during my girlfriend's, but she was not having it. This place was messy, right? You can see the cabling around there. That's a very good space right there. And then these my drawers. I think this is the mic place to store my mic. Then I have my books there where I write everything. Then some few coins, you know what I'm saying? And then definitely that's the part of we have the shoe rack, we have the office there. Immediately on this side, I have my bed, my matrimonial bed. Actually, this room is not that much organized. Actually, not that much organized. I'm just throwing things up. No, not that much organized. But at least I have 3 pillows right there. Then there's my bed, and then this is my sitting area. I'm supposed to be having a living room area here. You see this place here? That place up to this point here. I'm supposed to be having it as a living room area, but I haven't done much about it. Then we go like this, I have a nice mirror right there. You can't see your boy through that mirror, of course, what I'm saying. I'm eat my popcorn. Can you see me there? That's me, definitely. Then definitely I keep my stuff there. Then I have my clothing area. This is where I do clothes and stuff. This cape is supposed to be like that. And then some small stuff right there. And then that's where I keep my clothes and stuff there. My small store around there. Then those are my hangers. That's where I hang things like that. This is where I place all the laundry, right? Or the clothes that are dirty, I usually place them side here. See, in here, that's where I place them. And definitely from there, yep, buddy. Then you go to the toilet right there. That's where we do all the things. Right there. I have the shower right there. So I do it the way it is. And then this in here, this is where I store my things to cook here and there. And then on this one, I think we have an extra gallon of water there, even in case water goes off. That's where definitely I do things there. And yeah, that's where I keep my things there. Some small things there to get me going as a bachelor. And then this is my kitchen area, definitely there. Very small kitchen area, nothing much, very small kitchen area. And that's there. A curtain right there, very nice. That is it. And then that is it. Then that is it. That's where I sleep. 8 hours, 7 to 8 hours of sleep. My office right there, very simple. Then yep, buddy, that's me. So yeah, you've seen nothing much is there, and that's how I run things, bro. This is my room, and I'm gonna make history here from here. So yeah, hope you subscribe. Remember to subscribe, bro. Subscribe and like the video for more content. Expect more real authentic content. I've decided to do this because I was probably hesitant about doing this. I was just feeling not doing it. But finally, I have the confidence to take my phone and continue posting on my YouTube channel. Let's grow together, like and sub. Peace.